this old man? He's got long ear hair.
Yeah.
Huh? Me? I'm not a bad kid. My horse is perfectly behaved.
What'd you think of those songs there?
Hey! Did you see that? Who taught you your manners? It was me. Say hi to the camera, Ruben.
Capo grooves.
Say hi to the camera, Jake. Say hi to the camera, Ronnie. Ronnie! Riding out with some deer. They're just in the field over there. I don't know if you can see them. They're very tan. We're out for a trail ride. We got Miss Ronnie, Mr. Jake, Mr. Ruben, and me. Here we are, riding down the trail. Ruben's got Jake. We got nothing but clear roads ahead of us. Beautiful gray skies, no bugs. It's just beautiful. Miss Ronnie's been a rock star.
We got this axe throwing lawn game. It's pretty fun.
You still going?
Yep.
We'll cut out that first part.
Okay. One of my parents going for a walk, and I got joined by a couple dogs. Oh man. Oh, we just escaped from a room.
45 minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes.
The boy band.
Putting out
Never
#1
forget it.
records.
#1.
All right.
Man, we out here getting vaccinated.
All done.
Ah. Hey Ori, do you like dogs? Ah, you said yes. Gotcha.
So it's our first time taking the kitties outside. And they are excited. Except for Lemon. She's making her way. Come on, Ori.
We've been outside for literally 2 minutes. This was days of meowing.
Well, hello there. Sure.
We found out about AR doodles. Oh.
Hmm.
If there's one word to describe me, man, I don't know what it would be. We came to see Government House, but there's a Pokemon raid, so we gotta go. Alright, we're here at Government House. It's got a greenhouse and it's haunted. It's the whole package.
Whole package.
It's closed. It's not the whole package. It's a piece of bad museum. We got the milkshakes.
Milkshake boys.
And we're at this sculpture that's made out of bricks. I guess it's not a sculpture, it's a mural. Pretty beautiful though. We're out at the Condie Nature Refuge, where there's a lot of plants around here and birds, I guess. Erin, what did you see?
I saw an orange and blackbird. Actually, okay, so I'm looking over there and it's like 2 creamsicles come flying through the air. And I'm like, creamsicles in Saskatchewan in the forest? No way. And then I look closer and there are these black and orange birds and they were like defending their territory or fighting or something like that. And they were chasing another bird out of their territory. It was so cool.
Oh, look at that little picnic area over there. What's your review of the Condie Nature Refuge?
Amazing! So many birds! So much to see!
How would you describe what this place is?
Magical.
How would you describe it on Wikipedia?
Saskatchewan's Disneyland.
Definitely for birds, I would agree. Bird Disneyland.
But yeah, I don't know what I would say. It's a lot of flat land, so if you don't like parks or grassland, then I wouldn't suggest it, but it's so beautiful.
Today we're heading to the Big Muddy. We've been driving for about 2 hours now. Erin's been here before. I have not. She says she sees some signs that we're getting close.
Seeing signs. I saw the signs. Opened up my eyes and saw the signs.
Whoa! Hello there. That came out of nowhere. Probably doesn't show up very well on camera, but wow, that was cool. So cool.
Hopefully you can see how cool this is and not my dirty windshield.
So we went to Big Muddy, but we went to the eastern part of Big Muddy, and Castle Butte is in the western part of Big Muddy. So now we're going all the way to the western part of the Big Muddy. It's an adventure.
Yeah, adventure guy.
We're always getting into adventures. We found it.
We found it.
Sure looks like there would be some outlaws in there. Whoa, it's like spelunking. Look at it. It is so cool. Right now we gotta hike up this giant hill.
She's steep. See if you can come down more gracefully than me.
Oh man, I'm in the boot crack.
Oh God.
That's a good one. Okay, we're on a run of exploring points of interest on our drive. So we found this one kind of in the middle of nowhere. Let's see what it is here. Belgian amulet. Seems to no longer be here. Seems like it was a pretty big village here. 2 grain elevators, general store. It's where the railroad met. And there's nothing left of it. We're driving through Bengo, and their museum is outdoors. It has a little mine.
Oh. Where am I? Did I knock my head on something?